Welcome to Outlaw Edge. So I got everything prepped back here on the Unibody. And everything's sanded and prepped, and I got it all scratched up real good. Wiping it down with wax and grease remover now. And then the back of the cab also is prepped. So I'll be spraying primer on here, epoxy. And then I'm gonna spray some epoxy on here also. And then tomorrow I'll come back through and I'll do the seam sealer all in here on all the, around the edges and everything. And then this will get the bedliner sprayed in it. So it should look pretty nice. So I got it in primer. And then the next couple of days I'll go through here and I'll grind up some of the stuff and I'll put more epoxy over the top of it or primer. And then now I can see all the little imperfections, like these dents in this wheel well. And I'll body work those and fix those and then go around everything with seam sealer. Should be pretty nice. But the back of the cab was bare metal. So I got that sprayed too. Turned out really good, nice and smooth. And this is just epoxy primer that I sprayed on here. And then what I'll do is I'll clean up everything and sand it one more time before I gotta TIG weld these holes right here, you know, where the clecos were. But I'll get on that, and you know, on the next video, I'll probably give you guys an update. Anyways, thanks for watching. Later.